How to log in with X in Tumblr. If you want to log in to Tumblr using X, which is formerly Twitter, you currently cannot. Tumblr does not support logging in with X or Twitter as a social sign-in method anymore. So instead of that, you can log in using your email or your Google account or your Apple ID. You can simply log in into the Tumblr application using your Google, Apple or email. Now simply use one of these. And by using it, you can simply log in into the Tumblr app. And that's it. This is how you can log in into the Tumblr. So you need to understand you cannot log in with the X anymore. So you can only continue to use or log in into the Tumblr application using your Google, Apple or email ID. Now enjoy using the Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.